Hey everyone, today I will show you how to customize your Instagram profile, and here is how it is done. Customizing your Instagram profile involves optimizing various features to reflect your personal or brand identity. Here are some steps and tips to make your profile stand out. 1. Profile picture. Use a high quality image. Your profile picture is the first thing people see. Use a clear and recognizable photo of yourself or your brand logo. Round format. Instagram crops your profile photo into a circle, so make sure important elements are centered. 2. Username and display name. Unique username. Your username at handle should be memorable and consistent across platforms if possible. Display name. You can make this more descriptive or fun, as it is separate from your username. Use keywords or your brand name to increase discoverability. 3. Bio. Express your identity in 150 characters. Write a concise, engaging bio that captures your personality or brand mission. Add keywords. Use searchable terms related to your interest or niche. Use emojis. Emojis can help express tone and break up text visually. Include a call to action or CTA. If you have a goal for visitors, example, visiting your website, purchasing a product, include a CTA. 4. Link in bio. Use link aggregators. You can use tools like Linktree, Beacons, or Instagram's native link stickers to display multiple links, including websites, shops, and other social profiles. 5. Story highlights. Organize content. Story highlights let you showcase important content at the top of your profile. Organize them by category like products, tips, events, or behind the scenes. Custom highlights covers. Create custom covers that match your profile aesthetic. You can use Canva or similar design tools for this. 6. Grid layout. Consistent aesthetic. The visual style of your post should be consistent, using similar filters or colors to create a cohesive look. Plan your grid. Use tools like Preview or Planoly to pre-arrange your post to ensure your grid looks attractive when people visit your profile. 7. Pin post. Pin important content. Instagram allows you to pin up to 3 posts to the top of your grid. Use this feature to highlight significant posts like announcements or high-performing content. 8. Profile pronouns. Add pronouns. Instagram allows you to add pronouns to your profile. You can include this in a dedicated section next to your username. Customizing your Instagram profile effectively means blending personality with professionalism while maximizing Instagram's latest features. That is everything you need to know about how to customize your Instagram profile. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.